If you wake up, if you're one of these people that wakes up and says, if I don't get a cup of coffee now,
Yeah.
I'm going to, whatever, pull my hair out. Are you addicted to caffeine?
Absolutely. I mean, absolutely. I mean,
Yeah.
I was at the point where I was drinking, I think, 12 to 24 Coca-Colas a day at one point. And I would actually literally get up in the middle of the night, wake up and have to guzzle a Coca-Cola so I could go back to sleep.
Right.
So just to...
I do that. I mean, I used to, but
I do
I'm trying to cut down.
But the truth of the matter is what is happening is that your body creates a homeostasis off a certain level of caffeine. So you actually get withdrawal symptoms and your brain just wakes you up and says, you can fix this, guzzle a Coke, and you go back to bed.
And it's not unlike when I was drinking many years ago. I'd get up in the middle of the night and drink a glass of red wine. I mean, I'd wake up and couldn't get back to sleep. So it's the same thing. And the problem with drugs and alcohol and caffeine and all this stuff is that it does make you feel better for the moment. It works for a while until it doesn't work.
Because you build up a tolerance. And so when you go below a blood alcohol level where your body begins to, actually withdraw from the alcohol, if you've been drinking and have a high tolerance, you're actually physically addicted to that alcohol.